Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast.
Hi, I am Alex, and I am Sarah. We help you practice simple, everyday English.
Today, we talk about 2025 and how fast time passed.
Yes, 2025 is already over, and now we are in 2026.
It feels like 2025 passed very quickly.
I agree. It feels like we were celebrating New Year 2025 just yesterday.
Today, we will talk about our past year, what we learned, and how we spent our time.
This is good practice because you can use these sentences in your daily life.
Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more English practice.
And don't forget to press the notification bell.
So, Alex, how was your 2025?
My 2025 was very good, better than I expected.
That is nice. What made it good?
I tried to improve my health in 2025.
What did you do for your health?
I joined a gym at the beginning of the year.
Many people say they will join a gym, but they don't continue.
Yes, but I was different. I did not quit after 2 weeks.
That is impressive. Was it easy?
No, the first month was very hard. My body hurt and I felt very tired.
But you kept going.
Yes, I continued. By March, I felt stronger.
What happened later?
By June, I could run for about 30 minutes without stopping.
Wow, that is great.
In September, I ran my first 5-kilometer race.
That is amazing. How did you feel?
When I finished the race, I felt very emotional and happy.
You should be proud of yourself.
I am proud because small daily work can bring big results.
My 2025 had both good and difficult times.
Tell me more about it.
The biggest thing was my promotion at work in June.
Congratulations, that is wonderful.
Thank you, but it was also stressful.
Why was it stressful?
I had more responsibility, more meetings, and more work.
That sounds very heavy.
Yes, I sometimes felt very tired and cried because of stress.
I am sorry to hear that.
It is okay now. By October, I learned to manage my work better.
How did you manage it?
I started asking for help and sharing some tasks.
Do you feel more confident now?
Yes, I feel much more confident. The challenges helped me grow.
Do you think 2025 went very fast?
Yes, I am surprised how fast the year passed.
I also feel the same.
In January, I thought I had a lot of time.
Me too. I made many plans for the year.
But suddenly, it was December. Time really flies when we are busy.
Many days felt the same because I was focused on work.
I understand. Sometimes months feel like one long day.
But I remember some special moments from the year.
What are those moments?
The promotion day in June is one. I remember my boss calling me to his office.
That must have been scary.
Yes, but he said I was promoted to senior manager, and I was shocked.
That is a great memory.
Another good memory was my vacation in August.
Where did you go?
I went to the mountains with my sister.
That sounds nice.
We stayed in a small house without Wi-Fi.
No Wi-Fi? How did you live there?
We hiked, cooked simple food, and talked near the fire.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, I felt very calm during those 7 days.
What did you learn from that trip?
I learned that time feels slow when we stay present in the moment.
That is a deep idea. Time flies when we are distracted by phones and work.
I think that is very true.
So, do you have another special memory from 2025?
Yes, my 5K race in September was the best moment of the year.
What was?
It was a random Tuesday in November. I was at the gym when I suddenly realized something.
What did you realize?
I realized that I was not forcing myself to exercise. I actually enjoyed being there.
So you knew the habit became real.
Yes, before, exercise felt like a duty, but that day it felt like something I wanted to do.
That is the difference between short motivation and long-term change.
Exactly.
Our 2025 was good, but it was not perfect, right?
No, every year has good and bad moments.
I want to be honest. I have one big regret from 2025.
Really? What is it?
I wanted to learn Spanish. I downloaded a language app in January because I felt very motivated.
What happened after that?
I practiced every day for the first 2 weeks. I learned basic words like hola and cómo estás.
That's a good start.
But I became busy with work and the gym. Slowly, I stopped using the app.
So you gave up?
Yes, I stopped learning by February. The app kept sending reminders, but I ignored them.
Why do you think you quit?
I tried to do too many things at the same time. Gym, work, and learning Spanish were too much.
What did you learn from this?
I learned that it is better to focus on one or two goals, not many goals.
That is a wise lesson.
I may try again in 2026, but I will study only 10 minutes a day.
Small steps are better than big plans.
Do you have any regret from 2025?
Yes, my biggest regret was losing contact with my close friends.
What happened with your friends?
I have 3 close friends from university. Before 2025, we met 2 times every month.
What did you do when you met?
We had dinner, watched movies, and talked for hours.
That sounds very nice.
But after my promotion, I became very busy. When they asked to meet, I always said I was working.
Did this happen many times?
Yes, it happened many times. By August, they stopped inviting me.
That must have hurt you.
Yes, I felt sad. In December, I realized my mistake. I texted them and said I missed them.
What did they say?
They agreed to meet, but when we met, the conversation felt a little awkward.
Why was it awkward?
Because we did not talk as easily as before. There was some distance between us.
That is sad.
Yes, it is my fault. I chose work over friendship.
What did you learn?
I learned that success is not good if you are alone. A promotion cannot replace real friendship.
What will you do in 2026?
I will make time for my friends. Even if I am busy, I will meet them at least once a month.
That is a beautiful goal. We both learned important lessons in 2025.
Yes, I learned not to take too many goals.
And I learned not to ignore my relationships.
Balance is very important.
2025 also had some funny moments, right?
Yes, there were some embarrassing funny moments.
Tell me one.
Okay, this is embarrassing. In March, I had a video meeting with about 40 people from my department.
What happened during the meeting?
I was presenting an important project very seriously. Then my cat jumped on my keyboard.
Oh no.
Yes, my screen froze and everyone heard my cat meowing loudly.
That is funny.
I felt very embarrassed. My face became red, but everyone was laughing, even my boss.
Did you finish the presentation?
Yes, but I had to put my cat in another room first.
That is a lesson learned.
Yes, now I always close the doors before video meetings.
Do you have another funny story?
Yes, in July, I tried to cook a special dinner for my friends.
I remember you said you are not a good cook.
That is true, and that is why this story is funny.
What happened?
I found a complicated pasta recipe online because the picture looked very good.
Oh no, I can guess what happens next.
I invited 3 friends because I wanted to impress them. I spent about 3 hours cooking in the kitchen.
3 hours? That is a long time.
Yes, but halfway through, I forgot to buy one important ingredient.
Oh no, what did you do?
I tried to use something else instead, and that was a big mistake.
How did the pasta taste?
It was very bad. My friends were polite, but I could see that they were not enjoying it.
What did you do then?
I said, "Okay, this is a disaster. Let's order pizza." Everyone felt very happy.
That is a funny story.
Now my friends joke about it. They call it my famous disaster pasta.
Imperfect moments often become the best memories.
Yes, life does not need to be perfect to be enjoyable.
Do you feel that you changed as a person in 2025?
Yes, I feel more confident and more disciplined now.
Confident in what way?
Before 2025, I often thought I was not good enough. I thought I could not do difficult things.
And now?
Now I believe I can do many things. The gym helped me understand that if I can change my body, I can change other parts of my life.
That is a strong mindset.
Yes, I learned that consistency is more important than working very hard for a short time.
What do you mean by that?
You do not need to be perfect. Just show up and work a little every day. Small actions over time bring big results.
That is true for many things in life.
How did you grow in 2025, Sarah?
I think I became more emotionally strong. Before my promotion, I panicked when something went wrong.
And now?
Now I understand that problems are normal. Challenges are part of learning. I do not panic easily anymore.
You learned how to handle pressure.
Yes, I also learned that asking for help is not a weakness.
That is a difficult lesson for many people.
It was difficult for me, too. I used to try everything alone, but now I know we need support from others.
That is beautiful.
I also learned that career success is not everything.
What do you mean?
I'm proud of my promotion, but it almost made me lose my friendships.
So balance is important.
Yes, in 2026, I want success in my job, good health, and good relationships.
That is a good life goal.
What are your main lessons from 2025?
First, do not give up easily. Even when things are hard, keep going.
That is a good lesson.
Second, find people who can support you. My gym trainer helped me a lot.
Support from others is very important.
Third, celebrate small progress. Do not wait only for big success.
I like that idea.
And finally, be patient with yourself because change takes time.
We both learned many things in 2025.
Yes, I'm thankful for both the good and bad experiences.
The bad experiences also helped us learn.
Absolutely.
Today, we used some useful English phrases.
Yes, let's review them for our listeners.
First, looking back. It means thinking about the past.
For example, looking back, 2025 was a good year.
Next, time flies. It means time passes very quickly.
I cannot believe it is 2026 already. Time flies.
When you enjoy something, you may feel that time flies.
Next phrase is before I knew it. It means something happened very fast.
I started studying, and before I knew it, it was midnight.
Another phrase is throughout the year, which means during the whole year.
I went to the gym regularly throughout 2025.
Next is ups and downs. It means good and bad times.
Every year has ups and downs because life is not perfect.
Another phrase is paid off. It means your effort gave good results.
I worked hard and it paid off when I got promoted.
Next is drift apart. It means slowly becoming less close to someone.
Some old friends and I drifted apart after graduation.
The last phrase is fresh start. It means a new beginning.
The new year is a fresh start to build better habits.
Practice these phrases and you will sound more natural in English.
But we learned many valuable lessons from our mistakes.
We also shared funny moments, like my cat interrupting my meeting and your cooking disaster.
Then we talked about personal growth and what 2025 taught us.
Finally, we reviewed 8 important phrases for talking about time and life experiences.
Now it's time for our favorite part.
Yes, the question of the day. Are you ready?
Here is today's question. What is one thing you achieved in 2025 that made you proud?
And what is one goal you have for 2026?
This is a two-part question. Think about your achievements last year.
Your achievement can be big or small. Maybe you learned something new, helped someone, or solved a problem.
For example, I can say, in 2025, I'm proud that I got promoted. In 2026, I want to balance my work and friendships better.
And I can say, in 2025, I'm proud that I ran a 5K race. In 2026, I want to run a 10K race and learn Spanish again.
Simple and honest answers are good.
Now it's your turn. Please write your answer in the comments below.
Try to write in English even if it is not perfect. We read every comment.
This is good practice for your writing skill.
Reading other comments may also give you new ideas.
Do not be shy. We are all learning together.
Share your story with us. We are waiting to read it.
Okay, it's time to finish.
Thank you very much for watching today. We hope this conversation helped you practice English.
Remember, English is a way to express yourself and share your story.
The best way to improve is to practice every day.
Talk about your 2025 with a friend, or even talk to yourself in the mirror.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.
And press the bell icon for notifications. We post new conversations every day.
Next time, we will bring another useful topic to help you speak English naturally.
From both of us, keep learning and keep practicing.
Make 2026 a wonderful year.
Have a great day.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.